Hi, I'm Jean Nations, known as Gigi, registered nurse and Emerge Medical Spa expert on Thermage and Illuma. Now, Thermage is a brilliant way of tightening, lifting, and contouring the skin by helping your own body to produce more collagen. And this is totally non-invasive. No needles, no surgery. You like the idea of that?
Absolutely.
Okay, I do too. We can do the face, the neck, the abdomen, the thighs, the arms, the knees, and we're one of the few clinics in Oregon that actually offers Thermage eyes. And all of these give fantastic results. Now, the Illuma is a revolutionary way of tightening and helping with fine lines and wrinkles by just slowly reversing the aging process, and it can be done in as little as 1 to as many as 8 treatments. I'd like to talk to you about a couple of other techniques that I love to perform here at Emerge Medical Spa. One of them is the laser hair removal. Now, we can use our state-of-the-art technology to target the follicle and destroy it anywhere on the body. And at the same time, it's cooling the skin around the follicle that we're targeting. I also do the microdermabrasion. It is a technique for repairing the facial skin from sun damage or any kind of damage just from aging. It can be used to help reduce the signs of crow's feet, fine lines, age spots, and even some acne scarring. I would love for you to come on down and experience the results for yourself.